In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and basic family for a spider system for your curtain wall to place on it. And this can be used in concept, stage, and basic just for your reference when you are working in a very early stage for your Revit files. So let's get started. Okay, first we need to start a new project file to host our family. Then we create a new family. Put a new family. Since we need to create a curtain wall panel, we'll go to curtain wall panel and hit open. Go to the elevation view, extrusion to create the panel, the glass panel. Change the units if you want. For me, millimeters is fine. Okay, then okay, for hit OK button, 50 centimeters. I think 300 is fine. Let's duplicate this view and keep it here for our reference. Okay, take the plan view. I just wanted to mirror it to inside to outside to create our spider elements here. So let's get back to the elevation. Okay, since we need to create the mirrored side, you have to understand that if you have the panel, you have to create the element spider here. So if you mirror it, it will be applied in 4 points here and there and there. So it's an X. So be careful with this and keep in mind to create in from the corner top right, so you can easily know about it and understand the process. So let's first pick plane, circle. Let's make it as a 55 centimeter radius, or maybe lower. Okay. Check the 3D always when you're working as a family in a family. Then a good tip that if you want to duplicate this family, copy and align to same place, so you can from it take and drag and adjust whatever you want. Let's say 70. Okay, now I think it's a bit large. Let's keep it as a 60. 60 is fine, and the depth is 30. No, 50 is fine, and this is 50. Okay, so be careful with this, and yeah. Just keep in mind this is just a basic family to follow in a concept stage. It's not you need to re-enhance and readjust if you want to work it as a BIM model. So this is just a basic element spider. Okay. And I'm going again to duplicate this element object and drag it to the up, attach to bottom, reduce the radius to 20. Okay, then the arms part, pick a plan. The arms part is it's better if you started with the bigger circle. So if you have this circle and from the center you go to create the arms. So from this you can have it mirror 1 and both will be mirrored to 2, up and down. So you can have at the end the X shape spider. Okay, so let's pick the plane, going back to elevation, Okay. Mhm. Trim the parts. If you want, you can enhance this more. Okay. So let's see if this will work with us. Yeah, attach bottom to the bottom, top to the top. Mhm. And if you want to do like an extra elements, easily you can pick this and start doing a small screwer touching to the bottom and just move it up a little bit. You can join everything now if you want. Okay, so now you can mirror it left side and select both middle of the panel, and here you have the spider system that can be ready to be mirrored. Load it into project to test it. Go to the 3D view, hide this annoyed element. Okay, we'll test it on a curtain wall. So let's have a small curtain wall. Okay, go to edit and add our family from here. I think it names, since we didn't name it, I think it's a family 3. Let's see. Yeah. So you can see now it works. And the more you, and it can be adaptive and adjusted in all directions. You want to add, just let's add a material, a glass material for this one. Glass, edit, okay. Make it a little bit blue. Yeah. Again, load it. Okay, we don't need this view anymore. Okay, to get the material, the updated material from the family, and it's not applied here, go to manage, transfer project standards, select the family or the file that you want to get the material from, check none, and the elements that you want to get it. For our case, we need to get the materials. So hit OK. It will ask you to overwrite whatever it's duplicate the names. You can just overwrite it. So it will get the style, the names, the textures, the colors, and everything. It's a really good, useful command over here in the in the management, in the management, and then in the transfer project standards. So this is for now. See you in the next one.